Good afternoon, sir. This is my concept video, programming for problem solving using C. This is my topic name, sir. Modifiers in C. Modifiers in C. These are keywords in C to modify the default properties of int and char data types. There are 4 modifiers in C as follows: short, long, signed, and assigned. Short. It limits user to store small integer values from -32768 to 32767. It can be used only on int data type. Short int. My short integer value is equals to 18. Long. It allows user to store very large number, something like 9 million trillion, from 9 million trillion to 9 million trillion 807. Syntax. Long is used instead of long int. Long. My long integer value is equals to 837337203685421584. Sign. It is default modifier of int and char data type. If no modifier is specified, it says that user can store negative and positive values. Signed. Int. My negative integer value is equals to -44. Signs. Int. My positive integer value is equals to 544. Both of these statements have the same meaning even without signed modifier. Unsigned. When user intends to store only positive values in the given data type int and char. Unsigned. Int. My integer value is equal to 486. Data types in C. Primitive and derived. Primitive. Int, char, float, double. Array, structure, union, enum, and pointer. C has various data types to store data in program. C program can store integer, decimal number, character, string, list, etc. Using various data types, we need to specify the data type of variable to store any data in it. Explanation and basic usage of the concept is provided below. Data types and modifiers have significant in-depth technical details which are not covered in this article. There are 2 categories of data types in C. Primitive data types. These data types store fundamental data used in C programming. Int. It is used for store integer values. C program compiled with GCC compiler 32-bit can store integers from -21474 836482 21474 The size of the int is compiler dependent. It takes 4 bytes in a 32-byte compiler such as GCC. Int. My integer value is equals to 100. Char. It stores single characters such as A, Z, etc., including number, symbol, or special characters. It takes 1 byte to store each character. Char, my character is equals to A. Note, every character has a corresponding ASCII value to it ranging from 128 to 127. Numbers of the character has the corresponding ASCII value to. For example, one ASCII has ASCII value 49. A has ASCII value 65.6. Float, it stores real numbers with precision up to 6 decimal places. It takes 4 bytes of memory and is also known as floating point number. Double, it stores real numbers with precision up to 15 decimal places. It takes 8 bytes of memory. Double my double value equals to 180.7 Derived and user-defined data types. These are made by collection or combination of primitive data types and hence known as derived data types. Details will be covered in the articles dedicated to each topic of the following: array, structure, union, enum, and operator. Pointer. This is my concept video, sir. Thank you.